Hi Egerton, what's today's quarantine special?
Rainbow chop!
Today we are going to be learning about how to cut an assortment of fruits and vegetables. What colors are we going to be working with?
The rainbow.
What colors make up a rainbow, Egerton?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and indigo.
That's awesome! What else are we going to be learning?
Some fine motor skills
How are we going to be doing that?
with our knives. Adult supervision recommended.
Red, orange, yellow. Then there's green. Blue, indigo, violet. That's Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, bum 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 bum. Green, bum 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 bum. Blue, indigo, violet, bum 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 bum. That's Roy G. Biv. Bum 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 bum. Roy G. Biv. Bum 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 bum.
When you teach your kids to actually chop, you're going to want to have a good child knife. This one's plastic. It's by Curious Chef. You're going to want something that they can actually cut with, but you're going to want to do to supervise them. Proper technique, they're holding it in their dominant hand. Their other hand is curled like a bear claw. So Lila, can you show me your bear claw? Can you curl it? Good job. Now you're going to hold down. I like to cut the vegetables so that they have a flat edge first. I'm not giving them something round to cut. That makes it so much harder for them. We're gonna put it down. I'm gonna assist her with her first couple cuts and watch her. And it's a rocking motion when you cut. They have to do a little bit more of a saw with this knife. But for the younger kids, you can give them stuff that's softer to cut, like this bell pepper. Older kids can cut things that are a little bit harder, like carrots or potatoes too. And then once she goes, I can do her a little bit of supervision and just remind her to curl her fingers back so that she can't cut them. You like it, Lila?
That one.
Watch me and Lila. Look, Jack. Hand like this. Cloth. Cloth. And go like this. Good. Strips, okay?
Look what I did.
Nice.
Dice is a cube, small, medium, large. Bâtonnet is a stick. With dips, you're in charge. Julienne is skinny, like a lightsaber or whip. And finally, let's learn to mince. Go, Eggerton, you're so hip.
Thanks, Eggerton, for the lesson. We love you. Stay tuned next week because we're going to take our rainbow chop and make some art bread. And now our theme song.
It's